This demo examines various features of the RAM's account management form. The menu on the left shows a variety of options. At this particular point, options down to UB04 forms have been selected. There is also an option for 1500 forms that is very similar. Again, it has the options to view a form, print a form, or duplicate the form. Again, we can view the form. The form, when viewed, like in UB04, appears just like the printed form. The user can fill in information just as they would if they were typing into an actual form. Some options are optionally hidden or shown depending on various options selected. For example, if they were to select additional benefit program, in this particular case some options are not available. If it's clicked yes, they can type into these fields. Once all the data has been typed in, and they can save it, once again it can be printed. In this particular case, like a UB04 form, it prints without any formatting, as it is intended to be printed on a pre-printed form of the proper structure. You can also duplicate the form and create another form with all of the same information. It'll ask if you wish to include the line items in the duplicate. If the answer is no, it will create a duplicate with no line items, so additional line items can be filled in. Another option of the account management screen is the ability to create letters and memos. This opens up a list of predefined letters and memo forms already in the RAM system. Some are blank letters that can be filled in. Some already have content predefined. If we open this up, we can see the predefined body content. This can be edited at this particular point to change the information. For example, it shows currently the phone number that will be put in here automatically is the office phone number. However, the user may decide that they wish to put in their own phone number, their primary phone number. So they can come over here and they can click on this. It will change the value shown here to the, and we can put some information here. We'll fill in the information of the user phone instead of the office phone. They can then select to print the letter. Again, it will create a PDF letter. It fills in the header information automatically, the addressee automatically, various information, and a signature line automatically filled in. It has now filled in the various data that is available to this. In this particular case, this particular user does not have a phone number 1, so nothing is filled in. If they select a blank letter, the guarantor will have the address information of the guarantor, and they can fill in whatever content they wish and print that particular letter. There is also an option for various users, depending on the user's security role, to delete an account. Only special users have the ability to delete an existing account. And it brings up a warning to indicate that all data would be removed from the system and it could not be recovered. Another feature of the account management system is the linked accounts. If we're looking at linked accounts, we may wish to open up one of the other accounts that is linked to it. By clicking on this particular account, it immediately opens up the account record for that particular account with all the relevant information. Another feature of the RAM system is the fact that there may be occasions when a user is working on a particular record, for instance this particular record here, and they have a need to look for another record. In that particular case, they can open up what's called a search window. The search window is exactly the same as the original account search screen. Same list, same information, same search capabilities. They can look up a separate account and look at that data without disturbing the original account shown below. This search can also be hidden and put up at the top of the screen so it does not interfere with work on the current account, which then can be moved back in position for work.